you want to be successful in business, you must use effective marketing tactics. You can promote your business using many different ways. Video marketing is considered to be a popular and successful modern marketing tool. If this is your first time here and you want to build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel, start now by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon so you don't miss anything. Video will represent 82% of all internet traffic in 2021 according to Cisco. Any business that tries to go without video will be out of business in 5 years or less. Learn more about video marketing and how your sales could be improved by this process. YouTube is one of the best platforms used for video marketing. You have to be honest in your videos. If you seem honest, viewers will trust you. The more people trust you, the more likely they will share your videos. If you struggle to see the desired results from video marketing immediately, don't worry. Pay attention to the feedback from your audiences and strive to make better videos. The more you try, the better you will become. You can draw the attention of your viewers by asking questions. The more comments and engagements you get, the more views and more interested people will join the conversation. YouTube will recommend your content to a wider audience if they find that many people are watching your interesting video. The average video length should be from 5 to 8 minutes long, but if you are just starting out, it's preferable to create shorter video of around 3 minutes to maintain healthy audience retention percent. People have shorter attention span nowadays. Always check for the comments that people leave about your video. It's a good practice to reply to all the comments, as this will help to promote a sale by answering their inquiries. You can also get business from other viewers in the process. Embed your videos on your website or blog. This helps people to watch the video on your website, where they can also check out your goods and services and can help to initiate a sale. Don't overcomplicate things. With a tripod and decent camera, you can easily make videos. You may want to give a demonstration of how your goods are made or just talk about the services you are providing. Using music makes your video marketing stronger, as can be seen from every commercial. What kind of music will fit in the video? This will make your videos more effective for your viewers. Don't use copyrighted music, as you can get a copyright strike and your video could be taken down. Older marketing campaigns are not as effective anymore. It is important to keep a solid online presence in a technology-oriented world. Implement these steps to give your business more online visibility. Thanks for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and let's know what you think in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next one.